So we're gonna put in diagnostic mode and also error codes this machine. We turn off the machine, then we press 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. We're gonna see the error code, and then we press and hold drain and spin. So now we are in diagnostic mode. So this is the first one. So this is the first one. To go to the second one, you press soil. To go to the back, you press temperature. So let's start with the first one. Okay. To start, you press start right here. Now we go to the second one. So we go into the second one. That's water. Hot water. Drain pump. So you can go up until you do all the tests that you want to do. To go to the back, you press temperature. And this is how you test your washer. That's all.